Chiliz cost most certainly equivalent to $0.0770 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0769 0.0785 in a kind of significant manner. The earlier day close, 0.0781 in a genuinely significant way. The change explicitly was 0.0011, 1.41%. Which is genuinely critical. Opposite rates, United States dollars to CHC, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.079, genuinely greatest 0.085, kind of least 0.073. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Chiliz gauge on Friday, August 4, cost $0.079, kind of greatest 0.085, most certainly least 0.073. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.077, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.082, lovely least 0.072 in a very enormous way. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.078, certainly most extreme 0.083, fundamentally least 0.073 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.079, kind of most extreme 0.085, least 0.073. Or so they in a real sense thought. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.079, fundamentally greatest 0.085, essentially least 0.073 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, August 11, cost $0.079, greatest 0.085, truly least 0.073, which in a real sense is very critical. Chiliz figure on Monday, August 14, cost $0.079, for the most part greatest 0.085, truly least 0.073, in spite of prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.076, kind of most extreme 0.081, exceptionally least 0.071. In about 14 days Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.077. Exceptionally most extreme 0.082, sort of least 0.072, or so they certainly thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.076, beautiful greatest 0.081, lovely least 0.071 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz gauge on Friday, August 18, cost $0.076, sort of greatest 0.081, by and large least 0.071, or so they sort of thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost $0.076, kind of greatest 0.081, really least 0.071 in a genuinely enormous way. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.076, certainly most extreme 0.081, exceptionally least 0.071. Which especially is very huge. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.075, especially greatest 0.080, least 0.070 in a really significant way. Chiliz figure on Thursday, August 24, cost $0.076, extremely greatest 0.081 in every way that really matters, least 0.071 in a truly significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, August 25, cost $0.074 in every practical sense, greatest 0.079, truly least 0.069, exhibiting that Chiliz figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.078, greatest 0.083, genuinely least 0.073, or so they generally thought. Chiliz estimate on Monday, August 28, cost $0.075, really most extreme 0.080, sort of least 0.070, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.072, extremely greatest 0.077, truly least 0.067 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, August 30, cost $0.079. Especially greatest $0.085, for the most part least $0.073 in a significant manner. Chilliz cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost $0.078. Lovely most extreme $0.083, genuinely least $0.073, which explicitly is very critical. Chilliz figure on Friday, September 1, cost $0.079, kind of most extreme $0.085, sort of least $0.073, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to CHC today. United States dollars to CHC swapping scale, sort of equivalent to 12.9892 coins per $1. Today's reach, 12.7450 to 13.0083. All things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The past day's nearby, 12.8063, showing how in 3 weeks Chilliz cost forecast on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.075, genuinely most extreme $0.080, kind of least $0.070, or so they in a real sense thought. Change for now plus 0.1829, plus 1.43% in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to CHC cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Chilliz figure on Thursday, August 3, cost 12.658 coins, especially most extreme 13.699, certainly least 11.765, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Friday, August 4, cost 12.658 coins, in every way that really matters. Greatest 13.699, sort of least 11.765 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Chilliz figure on Monday, August 7, cost 12.987 coins, lovely greatest 13.889, sort of least 12.195, which by and large is very critical. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost 12.821 coins, especially most extreme 13.699, really least 12.048. In multi-week dollar to Chilliz figure on Wednesday, August 9, cost 12.658 coins, beautiful greatest 13.699, lovely least 11.765, which explicitly is very huge. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost 12.658 coins, most certainly greatest 13.699, least 11.765 in an exceptionally significant way. Dollar to Chilliz figure on Friday, August 11, cost 12.658 coins, kind of greatest 13.699, really least 11.765, showing how Chilliz cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.076, truly most extreme $0.081, exceptionally least 0.